In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a private bot in Janitor AI. To get started, head over to janitorai.com. Once the site loads, make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your saved characters and settings. This process is quick, and you only need to change one visibility option to make your bot private. From the main page, look for the profile icon. It's usually located near the top of the screen and gives you access to your account-related options. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open the menu. In the menu, select My Characters. This will take you to the section where all of the characters or bots you've created are stored. If you've made several bots, take a moment to find the specific one you want to change. This is helpful because the privacy setting is managed individually for each character. Next, click on the character you want to make private. That will open the character's page where you can edit its details and visibility settings. Once you're on that page, look for the toggle next to Public. This toggle controls whether other people can see the bot or whether it stays visible only to you. Click the toggle next to Public to change the setting. After you do that, a message box will appear on the screen. The message explains that your character will only be visible to you. This confirmation step is important because it makes sure you're intentionally changing the bot's visibility and understand that it will no longer be public. When that message appears, click Confirm. Once you confirm, your bot will be set to private. And that's it. Your Janitor AI character is now private and only visible to you. If you ever want to make it public again later, you can return to the same setting and switch it back.